Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a video of how to install and set up the Qubo Pro app, which is the app to set up your dash cam, the Qubo Pro dash cam. So for this you can download the app from the Play Store for Android and your App Store for the Apple. And when you open this app, you you have to allow all the settings that it requires and all the permissions. Then you have to like this, you have to click allow, and like this. Then it asks you to sign in using your email ID or Google account. So I choose the Google account like this. So now I have signed into the app using my Google account, and now it's asking me to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So for that, let me first switch on the ignition of the car, and you can see that the dash cam is now switched on. So there's a blue light, and now you can click on connect, and okay, so now you can see as soon as you connect it to the Wi-Fi, the live view from the app, and now this dash cam is good to go. However, you can set up the Wi-Fi because it is password protected. You have to enter the password when you do it for the first time, and the password for it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the default password, and yeah, this is now you are good to go. Guys, I would like to also suggest a setting for your dash cam, which is when you open the settings from by clicking this button, settings button in the top right corner. Here is this audio alert, which is usually switched on by default. You can actually switch it off. I suggest you to switch it off because when you go drive in the city or on bumpy highways, the the conditions of the road is felt by the dash cam, and it makes a beeping sound each and every time it feels the bump. And so you I would suggest you to switch it off, uh, and that's it. Like this, you can like by sliding the shutter you can switch it off like this, and you're good to go. Okay guys, thank you. And you can find a brief review of the dash cam in the description. See you guys with a new video soon. Bye bye.